Welcome back everyone to another technical analysis. Today we'll take a look at the toncoin. Straight to the point, we have here a local support area and local resistance area which was broken during the start of 2026, and since then we have formed some kind of an accumulation slash distribution zone, so a sideways channel waiting to be either broken out or broken down. But meanwhile we are still in this zone. What we can do is trade within the range, and that's exactly what we are going to do. So as we had recently a touch to this upper zone, actually a double touch here, and a slightly smaller touch, then a recovery, and now we see that there is a slow but still a steady bearish structure forming here, which gives us a sign that we might be seeing a continuation to lower zones here, with the setup, approximate setup, looking like this. So that's not a finalized setup still, but that's somewhat a movement that we can be expect. So like 9% of market price movement. So that being said, let's go to the smaller time frames, the most best out there time frame, 30-minute time frame, and see what we can do. Now, despite this huge CMA gap which is still not filled fully, we are seeing that sellers are showing pretty good pressure here despite even multiple buyish volumes here. So we can see this one here where buyers tried to manipulate and push to the higher zones, but then sellers again took back the control, and now we're seeing that there is a continuation to the lower zones forming. So that being said, let's see if we can go to the 5-minute time frame. It won't help us much, so let's go to the hourly time frame here. Now, without any delay, the setup would be exactly like this. So, and first target can be somewhere in this region. This would be like 3.7% of market price movement. Then final target would be approximately 6.7% of the market price movement. Stop loss has to be somewhere in this region. Why here? Because we had this liquidity grab, then we had liquidity grab to lower zones, then a liquidity sweep back to the high zones, and here we form some kind of resistance zone. Now, this isn't a zone specifically. If a wick touches this area, then we will be stopped, but more of if price breaks out from this zone, then the position is invalid. So that being said, a really nice short setup can be taken here. And before finishing this video, I want to take a look on the daily time frame and still once again tell you that toncoin is one of the coins that we expect to see a bigger bullish movement in the future, especially with its Telegram integrations forming. So there is a really high potential for this coin to do at least 2, 3, 4x in the future. So if you don't have this coin in a spot holding, then I think you should definitely do some kind of research on this one, and maybe even buy at least something that you can. But on the smaller time frames, we are expecting to see a sell side movement. So that's it for today. As always, thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you on the next one.